everyone, Kimberly Berg, clinical exercise physiologist in the Rebel Fit Club, the training center for people with Parkinson's. Today I'm going to be talking to you about expanding the ribs, strengthening our back, and getting our posture in really good alignment. So as a little review, remember that when you breathe in, your ribs actually rotate backwards, and as you exhale, they rotate forward. Well, when you have Parkinson's, your ribs get kind of gummed up, and these are all little tiny joints, and we want them moving freely so we're not prone to respiratory problems, choking, digestion problems, and poor posture, especially with that forward head position. So this exercise is great for working all of those systems and get your body humming and straight up and down. So we're going to be using a TheraBand today. I want you to use the lightest one possible because it's not a big strength exercise, it's more mobility. So I'm not going to use it right away. I'm just going to stick it in my pocket, and we're just going to use our hands first to get our ribs moving. Now remember, I said that as we inhale, ribs are going to move backwards. We're just going to give it a little help. So I want you to find your collarbones. These are the clavicles. They come out and they attach into your shoulders. We're going to bring our hands underneath. Now you can use your thumbs. I kind of use a little bird beak here and use my fingers and my thumbs. And we're just going to lift the collarbones up. And you're going to take some nice breaths here. Now it's not about leaning backwards, but it's also not about shrugging your shoulders. So shoulders are down, lots of room between your shoulders and your ears. So we're going to breathe in and imagine those ribs rotating back and the collarbones lifting. So breathe in through your nose, out through your nose, and at the end give a big sigh and just slowly kind of round forward just a tad to let all the air out. Breathe in, standing up nice and tall and straight. Get those elbows lifted just a little bit and exhale. And sigh. Last one. In through the nose, elbows lift, rotate those ribs and collarbones back. Exhale through your nose and a sigh. Okay, now we're gonna add the TheraBand. Now we're gonna give it lots of range, so you're gonna grab out towards the end. You're gonna stretch the TheraBand across your chest, just under your collarbones, which means you have to lift those arms up. Now try to do that without shrugging your shoulders. You're going to bring it back across your sternum or your chest so that you get a big activation in your back and your shoulder blades. And we're gonna breathe in through your nose, exhale through your nose, and then a big sigh. Breathe in, exhale through your nose, and a sigh. So do that a few times. Now we're gonna go back into this position, bring it across your chest, nice and tall, standing up tall, lots of length between the back of your neck, so you feel like your plum here. And now I want you to turn your head side to side, and hopefully you'll notice that your neck and your head glide a little easier, because by lifting this up, it gets everything in the right position. Because if you're stooped here, you can't turn your head, you certainly can't rotate it to the side. So this will help with your neck and head position. So if you like this video, give me a like and subscribe, and go to my website, rebelfitclub.com, where you can check out all the blog videos. Those are complimentary. And if you subscribe, they will come to your inbox once a week. And we hope that you use those and they will help you in your home. If you're interested in how our formula and our classes help slow down your Parkinson's, please contact me, Kimberly at rebelfitclub.com. I'm happy to get back to you and tell you how we use specific programming and exercises and great music and coaching to help you create that neuroplasticity that will help you slow down your Parkinson's and give you a better quality of life. We have both classes here in the gym at the Rebel Fit Club, but we also have classes virtually that come to you daily, and we have a recorded library in case you're not in our time zone or you just miss your class. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you check out these videos. Thank you, stay optimistic, and as always, go forth and conquer.